Tire maintenance. I'm going to jump into this about maintaining your tires. A lot of people don't understand all of what it is about taking care of your tires properly. Number one, you need to be watching your tires after every drive that you make for the day. Check them, make sure they're good. Check them periodically on their air pressures. Make sure all of the tires or air are at the proper PSI to the tire. The reason I say to the tire is because I hear a lot of people saying, well, you need to go by what it says on the door jamb. That is for the manufactured tires that came on your vehicle. So whatever your vehicle has on it now is the proper PSI pressure that needs to be in those tires. Also, did you know there is wear indicators inside the treads of your tires? If you did not know that, they're there. Start looking at your tires. You will see a bar running across from the other direction of your directional tread. That is your wear indicator telling you that you are getting close to needing another set of tires. Also, pay attention to if you are a low mileage driver, you do not drive very much per year. Pay attention to the age of the tire. There is a round circle with numbers and usually follows in front of it with USDOT stating what month and date and year your tire was manufactured. I would say anything above 6 years, you need another set of tires. But I wouldn't go any further past that. Hope this helps.